guys, it's Shwangi and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to create this look. This is my version of an Indian smoky eye look and I love to wear this kind of makeup for a lot of weddings, a lot of special occasions. It's just really nice and smoky and festive. In this tutorial, I've used a lot of products which I actually bought in my Nykaa Luxe haul. The links for all the products will be in the description box below, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now without wasting any more time, let's begin. The first product which I'm going to apply is a primer. It's Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. Next, for concealer, I'll be using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige. And I'm going to blend this with my PAC 219 brush. The foundation which I'll be using today is MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC35, and I'm going to mix a little bit of the strobe cream in the foundation. This is MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Goldlite. So I've taken about 1 pump of foundation at the back of my hand and kind of mixed 2 drops of strobe cream in this. Just going to mix this with my finger and start applying it. I'll start blending it. This is a YBP sponge. And I absolutely love this foundation, guys. It's like a really nice foundation. Alright, now we're going to set this, and for that, I'll be using Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. So as always, with my concealer brush, I'm going to set the area under my eyes and my eyelids, basically my eyes. I'm not going to use 2 different powders for this makeup, but still, whenever I'm setting the area under my eye, I use a concealer brush because that kind of, gets into the corners and stuff. A powder brush is really large, so sometimes it kind of misses few corners around your eyes. Once the concealer around my eyes are set, I'm going to take a powder brush and just lightly set the rest of my base. And because I always get questions about this powder brush, I bought it from Shein when it was there. Okay, my base is set. Now we are going to do the eyebrows, and for that I'll be using this product. This is Benefit Precisely My Brows Pencil. Yeah, Precisely My Brow Pencil. As always, I brush them down. Actually, I use a closed mirror to do this. So after brushing them down, I draw out a shape. And once I have this upper shape drawn out, I again brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps. One side of my eyebrow is done. I'll quickly finish the other side and come back. Once my eyebrows are done, I'm going to take a little bit of setting powder and kind of set them with this. This hack ensures that they are set in place, plus it also makes them look a little bit more natural. Now we'll get to contouring. I'll be using Hoola bronzer. I'll be just contouring my cheekbones and my jawline with this, guys. I don't like heavy contouring. I just do light contouring with a bronzer. Now before we start doing the eyeshadow, I'm going to bake the area under my eyes, basically apply a little bit of powder under my eyes because we will be dealing with black eyeshadow, and even if there is a fallout, it gets easier to, you know, kind of clean it up if you have a powder under your eyes. I always do this before using a black eyeshadow, guys, because no matter how good the eyeshadow is, there are always some flecks which kind of fall on your skin. Alright, done. Now let's begin the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow today, I'll be using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. Now I'm straight going to start off with this black shade from the palette. I'm going to use this brush. Now let me give you a closer look of this particular brush. It is a Vega angular blender brush, guys, and it's a really good brush, especially for smoky eyeshadows. I'll show you how I'm going to use this. I'm going to take a bit of color on the brush, dust the excess, and kind of create a line here with it. Just how you create a line for your wing liner. And this line is pointing towards the end of my eyebrow. So this is your point of reference. It shouldn't go like this or like this. It should point towards the end of your eyebrow. Now, once I've created this line, I'm going to flick it inwards. Just like this. Flicking it inwards also blends the eyeshadow. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. I'm also going to tell you every time I pick up more color in the brush, because we are going to build this black up. Taking more color. And now I'm applying this color really close to my lash line. Now I'm taking the color again and building it on the outer corner of my eye. Whenever you're building this black color, don't take it too high up, like don't take it towards your crease. Always pat the color near your lash line on the outer corner of your eyelid. Okay. Once this is done, with the same brush, I'm also going to kind of blend the eyeliner kind of line that we created near the lash line. For now, we are good. Now we'll move on to the next step. Next, I'm going to dig into this dark brown shade in the palette. And this is a Sigma E45 brush. I'm going to take a little bit of this dark brown color, dust the excess, and start applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid with a very light hand, guys. Like, don't use a heavy hand for this. And so far I'm only using it only halfway till my crease. I'm not taking it all the way down till here. You have to kind of blend it nicely with the black. I've only dipped my brush just once in that brown color. I have not taken too much of it, so I'm not going to really build this color up. We just wanted to blend it a little bit with this black shade. Okay, so far we're here. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is pack 391 brush. I'm going to dig into this shade from the palette. It's called Sandalwood. Take a little bit of color on the brush, dust the excess, and this I'm going to apply on my crease. Very lightly, guys, like we don't want a lot of color packed on the crease. And that's it. I'm not going to dip the brush again to build this color up. I've only dipped it once for a hint of color on my crease. Next, I'm going to use PAC's Sparkly Distraction Glitter Primer. I'm going to apply a bit of this glitter primer right about here. Basically the inner corner of my eyelid. I'm going to spread it out. I should have taken the glitter primer later on the other eye. But anyway, I'll just quickly, before this dries up, I'll just quickly show you what I'm going to do on this eye. After spreading it out, I'm going to take this shade from the palette. And with the help of my ring finger, I'm going to pat it on top of the glitter primer. like this. Don't worry if it's not neat or anything, we will clean it up in a bit. When you apply shimmery shades with your fingers, the pigment really sits well on your eyelid. But I'm also going to take an eyeshadow brush. This is Pack 310 brush. Take more pigment on the brush and apply one more coat of the shimmer. And with the brush, I'm also going to kind of blend it with the brown that I have on the crease. Okay, so this is how the eyeshadow is looking so far. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is Pack 226 brush. And I'm going to take the black shade again. And kind of again apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid. Not all the way up to the crease, just on the outer corner. After this is done, I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and I'm just going to clean up the crease a little bit with this brush. I'm very finicky when it comes to blending of the eyeshadows, guys. I take my time to do this. And it's best if you move the brush in a circular motion while you're blending your shades. Once this blending is done, I'm going to use a Kajal pencil. This is Plum Kajal pencil. And I'm just going to apply this Kajal really close to my lash line. And I'm not really making like a thick line or anything, just a very thin line. That's it. This is how the eyeshadow is looking at this point of time. Now we'll move to the lower lash line. I'm taking a bit of this black shade on a flat brush and I'm going to start applying it near my lower lash line. The black shade. Once I've applied it halfway through my lower lash line, I'm going to take another eyeshadow brush. Again, this is from Morphe, and I'm going to dig it into this brown shade on the palette, dust the excess, and start applying it on top of the black. Basically, I'm smoking this out. This is how my eye is looking after smoking out the black and the brown. So with this final step, the eyeshadow is complete. There's just one small thing, like a little bit of a small detail that we are going to add in this. And for that, I'm going to take this gold color. I'm going to apply a little bit of this gold right on the innermost corner of my eye. Just a little bit, not too much. You see, it's a hint of gold, like not too much of gold, just a little hint of gold. Alright, with this final step, the eyeshadow is complete. Now I'm going to apply some kajal on my waterline. Actually, lower waterline and upper waterline both. Next, I'm going to use Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. I love Becca highlighters, guys. I recently bought this one. So I'm going to use this shade to highlight the innermost corner of my eye and my brow bone. Alright, the eyeshadow is complete. Now I'm going to use a mascara. So this is Huda Beauty Legit Lash Mascara. So just one little coat of this mascara. It's actually a very nice mascara. I do really like it. For falsies today, I'll be using Huda Beauty Lottie falsies. I'll quickly put them on off camera and come back to you. Alright, the falsies are on. Now it's time to finish the rest of the makeup. First, I'm going to dust off this excess powder. Next, for blush, I'm going to use MAC Cosmetics Glow Play Blush in the shade Blush Please. This is also something which I recently bought and really like, guys. I've got two shades now. I'm going to take a bit of blush on a brush and start applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Alright, now we have come to the exciting bit, which is applying the opal highlighter on the high points of my face. So I'm using a Pro Art AF05 brush. I love how smooth these highlighters are, guys. Like, they're just so finely milled and they look so pretty on the skin. I love the finish this highlighter gives, guys. It's just very nice and smooth and just very nice. Moving on to lips, I'll be using Huda Beauty Power Bullet Lipstick in the shade Interview. Done. And lastly, to give this makeup look a glossy finish and to set it for a really long time, I'm going to use this product. This is MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance. I need to let this dry up. I'm gonna get ready and come back to you. And I'm back, guys. This is the final makeup. This is my version of an Indian smoky eye look. And the reason why my skin is looking so glossy, one is of course the Becca highlighter. Absolutely recommended. It's so good. And also this product, guys, this Fix Plus Magic Radiance. It's one of my favorite products from MAC already because it just adds such nice radiant sheen to the skin and it just looks really nice and glossy. I love this finish. So that's it, guys. I will be making many more festive looks during this month because there are a lot of occasions coming up. Let me know what suggestions you have or what kind of looks you want to see. I will definitely pick up some ideas from the comment section below. So yeah, I love it when you interact with me. Definitely leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting makeup related content there as well. All the links will be in the pinned comment of the comment section below. So definitely check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got 3 channels, Hindi, English and Bengali. And your support would mean the world to us. Also like this video if you liked it. That really helps us in reaching out to more people. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Take care of yourself and stay safe. I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.